In the early 1960s, America was conquering space, but on the racetracks of Europe, one name reigned supreme: Ferrari. Untouchable, unbeatable, a symbol of pure racing perfection. While America led an industry, it had never built a car fast enough to challenge the Italian giants. This all changed when Henry Ford II, head of the Ford Motor Company, tried to buy Ferrari. Enzo Ferrari didn't just say no. He insulted Ford and his ugly little cars. That rejection lit a fire. Back in his boardroom, Ford made a vow: we were going to crush them at their own game at Le Mans. But Le Mans, the brutal 24-hour endurance race, was Ferrari's kingdom. To conquer it, Ford needed a maverick. He found one in Carroll Shelby, a Texan racing legend turned car builder. Shelby's mission? To build a monster capable of dethroning a king. And so, from a small California workshop, a legend was born: the Ford GT40. The world laughed, but a storm was coming. The Ford GT40 wasn't just a car, it was a rebellion on wheels. Standing only 40 inches tall, every inch was designed for one purpose: to destroy Ferrari on their home turf. But in the beginning, the GT40 was a total failure. The first tests were brutal. The car was too heavy, it overheated, and it couldn't finish a race without breaking down. The European media mocked it, calling it Ford's fantasy car, but Carroll Shelby refused to give up. He and his right-hand man, Ken Miles, a racer with a fiery temper and unmatched instinct, worked day and night to tame the beast. Millions were being spent with no results, and Ford's executives grew impatient. By 1965, the GT40 entered Le Mans for the first time. 4 cars, 4 failures. Ferrari won again. But for Shelby, failure wasn't an ending, it was fuel. He told his team, next year we're not going to compete. We're going to conquer. The 1966 Le Mans 24 Hours was pure chaos. Rain lashed down, engines howled, and the legendary track became a treacherous battleground. While Ferrari's formidable machines began to falter, overheating and dropping out one by one, the Ford GT40s relentlessly pushed on. Ken Miles, a master behind the wheel, hit over 200 miles per hour down the Mulsanne Straight, a speed previously unheard of for an American car at Le Mans. By dawn, it was a sea of Ford blue. They had done the impossible. But then came the order from Henry Ford II himself, a staged photo finish with all 3 GT40s crossing the line together. Miles, leading the race, slowed down to let his teammates catch up. In one of motorsport's most iconic and controversial moments, they crossed the line side by side. Ford had conquered Ferrari. Though a technicality robbed Ken Miles of the official victory, his spirit and skill cemented the GT40's legendary status. This wasn't just a win. It was history in the making. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible stories.